MCAS number 5 Academy online. This is for question 4. All right, so we have decimal division. I'm going to set up my problem again. Negative 12 and 48 hundredths, and I said that exaggerating on purpose, divided by 24 hundredths. So if I want to clear decimals, I have to multiply by a power of 10. Since they're both in the hundredths, if I multiply by 100 divided by 100, which is really just multiplying by 1, I actually move decimal points. So then this turns out to be negative 1,248 divided by 24. So negative 12 and 48 hundredths divided by negative 24 hundredths is the same as negative 1,248 divided by 24. We just cleared the decimals to make it a little easier. So if I'm here at negative 1,248 divided by 24, I notice that it would be very long for my long division, but I realize both of them are even numbers. So I'm going to divide both by half. And I'm going to keep it in fraction form, and I'm just going to divide. So my fraction is going to stay negative, and then I have half of 1,248 is 624, and half of 24 is 12. I notice when I take half of them, they're still even. So I'm just going to do it again. So my fraction's negative. Half of 624 is 312, and half of 12 is 6. I can go once more if I wanted to, just keep going halves, but I don't need to because my long division would be quicker. If you want to keep going, you're more than welcome, just keep going. But I'm going to show you, if you just stop and do long division, you need to remember that your answer is going to be negative. You can't forget that negative sign and that negative sign in the beginning. That's where some of your errors occurred. You did the whole process, but you forgot to check back at that negative sign. So if I do my long division here, if I do my 6 outside and my 312 inside, 6 goes into 35 times. It leaves me a remainder. I'm running out of room. 1, 6 goes into 12 2 times, so that I do get a final answer of negative 52. Please make sure you take a second and make sure that in the original problem you check sign.